So I noticed this downward sloping channel in the price chart of gold. So we're talking about the spot price of gold. And at this level, so we're talking about this is our 4 hour time period, and that, you know, all well and good. Um, but as you can see here, I've got this is a chart that I've been working with for a couple of days now, and in multiple different time frames. So like if we pop out to, there's the daily chart. We can go out to the weekly chart, etc. Um, and so depending on what time scale you want to look at, some of these lines are it's cluttered. I mean, and that's the word that I would choose to use in this case. Um, when we're trying to do analysis and make trading decisions, having a cluttered chart like this, well, heck, that's not really a good thing. So, look here. Here's where the magic applies. Hey, um, wow, looky there. That's a brand new chart. Um, and so, a couple of ideas let's talk about right now. And so, as a technical analyst, you come to a blank chart like this, and there's, and you're looking at it, and it's like, okay, what do I do with that? Um, in my mind, the first thing that's got to happen, I want some structure. My eye needs some price, some structure, market structure, whatever it is you want to call it. And probably down here, see, we're down at a 1 hour time frame. I I would tend to, if I'm on a time frame and I'm not seeing anything that's obvious as far as market structure, my tendency is to back up to a larger time frame. And so here, what immediately strikes my eye, and let me just draw it in here so we're all on the same page. See, there's a horizontal support resistance level right there. Um, and then once I have that in place, um, it it becomes obvious to me, um, that I need to go look at this Andrews pitchfork. But of course, that's the voice of experience speaking after having drawn lots of, literally thousands of Andrews pitchforks and looked at thousands of charts. But so anyway, there's our chart now with some market structure applied. And for me, it's a lot easier to look at that than to just look at that uh, blank time chart and try to figure out what's going on.